Hello, welcome to Spy Money. Pretty incredible day. I let this run all day long on 5 contracts and never touched it. Let the bot do everything entirely on its own. And it's 11,785 realized, and we're still in a trade as we speak for another $145. So I'll take you back and look at this. This is our Man of War bot. We've been working on these settings for a few weeks now. Actually, one of our members come up with this, and then I redesigned the bot in order to make it trade this way. We have run it the last couple of days, and it has done incredible. So today, I let it run all day, untouched. Yes, there's some losing trades in here. If you were manually operating this, you would not allow that much of a loss, but it is what it is. It's untouched. $5,000 in your account to trade this, and it just went from there. So we turned this on today at, I think it was 8:45 this morning. Let me look here. Pretty sure it was 8:45 this morning. Right there's the first trade. No, it's 7:45. 7:45 this morning, and it's run all day. Wins and losses, $11,845 at this point. It's done real well. We are still doing a little bit of tweaking on this with a little bit different settings, but overall you could turn this on and let her fly. And so far, the last several days that we've run it, it has made money every day. There's people running it in the after hours, and there's people like in the evening time. They're all different markets throughout the session. They're running different times, and it's actually working really well. So here we are, close of the day, and actually my monitor just went out. There it is. Close of the day, and this is where we are. So how do you get involved with this? How do you get started? Right now would be a great time for you to get started, and I'll show you how you do that. You go to spymoneyllc.com, and with that, you go to the Ninja Suite up here at the top. Click on that. When you click on that, it's going to give you two options. You can do the bots and indicators, or the indicators only. And you're going to want the bots as well, because the bot will trade just like I showed you. That is 100% bot, hands-free, untouched, using the pre-made settings that I supply. All you have to do is just go in, load the settings, and turn it on, and set it to the contracts that you want to run, and that's all you got to do. So we do not recommend running these bots unattended. You should run them with being able to watch them, and that way you can manage them if you want, or just let the bot do its thing. You can do that as well. We have a bunch of different bots in here. The Man of War bot is what you just looked at. It's redesigned to add the Shaker bot into it as well. So we crossbred two different bots put into one, and it's doing great. A lot of different indicators you get, trade copiers. We actually have a trade copier built into the bot. It works very well. We have the different drawing tools. A lot of questions here you can read through. It will probably answer every question you've got. If not, you come up here to the top, click on Contact Us, put your name, your email, your phone number, the message that you need. If you need to talk to me, put that you want to talk to me, to give me an Eastern Standard Time time frame, so because that's what I'm on, and it's hard for me to figure out where everybody is. So if you just put in Eastern Time when you want to be called, I'll do my best to call them. If not, I'll let you at least know that when I am available. We also have VPS service. The VPS service is a server in Chicago, and this allows the faster executions often, and it does a really good job. The internet is much better than your home internet. The home internet is in and out all the time. So if you use this one, and for $85, it's on the economy server, and it's doing great. Never have any problems with it. People, no complaints. They're using it. It does a really good job, and here's all the specs and so forth on that. If you don't have the money to trade, why not do a funded account? Here's 4 different ones you can read through. We like them all. I've used all 4 of them, and I don't really have a problem with any of them. They all have their pros and cons with each one. Just read through and figure out which one you want. Click on these links up here, and you'll get discount coupons with them as well. Here's just a little brief, what we call it, the Excel worksheet's what it is, and it just shows a spreadsheet showing the differences between each one of these four up there. Kind of let you know what you're going to be getting. And once you do that, get signed up. So again, you come back to the Ninja Suite. What most people do, probably 90% of my customers, are bots and indicators. I can't imagine not using the bots. I do a lot of manual trading, but the bots, if you just turn those on, you can be doing something else. As soon as you hear it enter a trade, you just look over and make sure there's the trade that you want and manage it. Maybe you see that you can make more money than what the bot is actually calling for, and you can move your stops and profit targets. I teach you how to do that. I also teach you when to turn on a bot and so forth. There's a lot of things in the training that you're going to get, and if you go up to when you sign up, you'll have my account, and the machine ID is automated. So once you go in here, it'll automatically do it. You don't have to wait on me. Down at the bottom, it doesn't show on mine because I'm not a paying customer, but a paying customer will see Discord username down here. You click on that, you put your Discord username in, it'll send you a link, you click that, and you're in the Discord. There's no waiting on me. No matter what time of day you do this, whether I'm sleeping or not, you're going to be able to have 100% service immediately. You're going to have your machine ID to where everything will work. You're going to have your Discord login, and you're also going to have all your training here and the download files. Everybody wants to know the download files. Right here's where they are. You come down through here, there's all kinds of different helps and so forth. And if you have any questions, you're always available to ask in Discord. There's a lot of people in there that help out. We are a team. It's not about Brad, but it's about our team together. I listen to you guys, and when you all have a better idea about something, then I incorporate it, just like the Man of War bot that we're looking at now. So with having this Man of War bot, look, we're up to $12,430 and still got $165 in the bank here. So it does a great job. I'd love to see you in the group. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm sure that if you sign up, you're going to love it, and the people are posting profits all day long. So I love seeing the green. So if you want some greenbacks, join up, get involved, learn how the system works. This one, if you know how to use NinjaTrader, you could be up and running in just a matter of a few hours, getting everything put in and understanding it and trading. Hope to see you guys, and if not, you all have a great weekend. Talk to you later.